Hey guys, it's me Marvellous Maahin and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to make donuts. And before we get started, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel with post notifications on. Ingredients you will need are all-purpose flour, warm milk, a cracked egg, yeast, salt, sugar, butter, oil, powdered icing, vanilla extract, powdered sugar, and water. Now let's get started. First up, before we start cooking, we have to make sure we wash our hands properly. Step 1. Add in milk, egg, sugar, and yeast and mix it up. Step 2. Add in all-purpose flour and salt. Step 3. Add in soft butter and mix it in well. Step 4. Add some flour onto your surface and knead the dough well. Step 5. Grease a bowl with oil and place the dough in the bowl and let the dough sit for 1 hour. Step 6. Make the glaze for the donuts. To make the glaze for the donuts, all you will need to do is mix in 1 cup of powdered sugar, 6 tablespoons of water, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and mix it up well. After 1 hour, the dough must have risen. Step 7. Knead and roll out your dough and start creating donut shapes. So now I'm going to start creating my donut shapes by rolling out my dough. Then I will use this cookie cutter to create the circle for the donuts, and then I will use an apple cutter to create the center circle for the donuts. 8. Heat up the oil and cook the donuts. I'm going to start off by adding in 5 donuts so that I can keep track of them and I do not end up burning any of them. Step 9. Dip your donuts into the glaze mixture. Here on my donuts, I'm about to add powdered icing, but you can add anything you would like. And boom, there you have it, your very own delicious donuts. Thank you so much for watching my video, and once again, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel with post notifications on. Thank you. Goodbye and have a nice day.